So hello guys, welcome back again on my YouTube channel, and today we will learn how you can add the snowfall effect into your Shopify store. So if you have a Shopify store and you want to add the snowfall effect on your store, so this video for you. So today we will add a snowfall effect into Shopify store without any application installation. Just you have to copy and paste some code into your Shopify theme that I will show you step by step, and don't worry about which theme you are using. Basically this code is working for every theme. So let's start how to do that. So first of all, I am going to open my Shopify store. So this is a store where I'm going to show you how to add. Just make a duplicate of a live theme before doing the changes into live theme. And as you can see, I created a duplicate of my theme, but I'm going to do on my live theme because this is my Sci-Fi partner development account. So now you have to click on three dot and click on edit code, and you have to add a snowfall effect snippet code like a section into this store. So basically you have to open a website that is Devdesire. So if you don't know what Devdesire, so this is basically my website where I provide all type of sections and blogs regarding related to Shopify. So you can explore this website. So here you can see that there are multiple sections here. So you just have to scroll down, and you can also go to the resources and section. Here you will see the multiple section that you can add into your Shopify store according to your requirement. But we will proceed with this, like how to add snowfall animation in Shopify store. If you just click on here, and here you can see a page. Basically you have to copy the code from the this option. So just you have to click on this code option. You don't have to do anything, just click on copy code and go to the Shopify store, and here you have to make sure open the sections folder into your theme and click on this icon to create a new section, and save it with any name, like I'm saving it with snowfall and snowfall dot liquid. Okay, and create it, and just you have to paste the code. And if you see this like background color black, so you can remove this, otherwise this will make your website body to into black. So just remove this and save it by Control S, and go back to the theme editor. Just click on edit theme. Now snowfall section will be appear into your theme. So here you have to make sure if you want to add the snowfall effect only on home page, so you have to add section into template. But if you want to add snowfall effect into your entire website globally, so just you have to add it into the header. So just click on header if you want to add it entire website, and here you will see the snowfall effect like this. You can see that, and click here. After just clicking, you have to save it, and you can see that the snowfall effect is starting here. Here is the multiple things, like you can control the snowfall density, and you can also control the speed, size, and even you can control the color. So basically you can check these all the options here. For example, if I increase the density, or I increase the speed and size also. Okay, and also you can change the color. If your website have a black color, a base black color, so you can change the color, so the snowfall effect should will be visible into your website. Just save it, and after that you can see my changes will be applied here, and the color is something changed here, and the color is little bit changed into the blue, and then density is also increased, and also you can see the speed. So you can manage this according to your requirement, and you can add. I will suggest you use default things, but you can adjust it. So this is the video, and this code is available into the description. So just you have to go to description, click on URL, you will directly go to the devdesire.com. Just copy the code and paste here. And if you are facing any issue to apply this code into Shopify store, you can just contact me. You can comment on YouTube video, and also you can direct DM on Instagram, that is @devdesire. So thanks for watching my video.